So, what's up mga bro? Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. And today, share ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-register na SURFSAYA ML30 sa ating mobile phone. So, ayun guys, napakadali lang niya. So, before tayo magsimula, so guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click nyo lang ang subscribe button at ang bell para ma-notify kayo kapag may mga bago akong video. So, ayun guys, simulan na natin. So, napakadali lang nito. Type nyo lang yung or i-dial nyo lang yung asterisk 123 number sign then call. So, and guys, make sure na meron kayong load ang inyong SIM na 30 pesos para makaregister kayo sa SURFSAYA ML30. So, nandun na tayo sa step 1. So, may pamimilian dyan na number 1 is buy and number 2 is SURFSAYA, then number 3 is giga. So, ang pipili natin is yung number 2. Paano nga ba siya? So, type nyo lang yung 2 dito, then click nyo yung send. So, bali pinili natin is yung SURFSAYA. So, nandito na tayo sa second step, yung SURFSAYA, choose your fan load. So, number 1 na pamimilian is FB, number 2 is ML, number 3 is AllNet. So, pipiliin natin diyan is yung number 2. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is type nyo lang yung number 2, then click nyo yung send. So, pinili natin is yung ML, yung number 2. So, nandito tayo sa third step. So, and guys, get ML everyday plus only call to TriNet plus only text all plus. So, may pamilihan dyan yung number 1 for 20 pesos is number 2 yung for 30 days. So, yung pipili natin is yung number 2. Yung 300 MB for 3 days for only 30 pesos. So, and guys, tatype nyo lang yung number 2. Then, click nyo yung send. Para makapag-register kayo ng SURFSAYA ML30. So, and guys, nandito tayo sa third and final step. So, yun guys, pinapakita rito kung ano yung matatanggap niyo sa SURFSAYA ML30. So, kakanap kayo ng get 30 MB plus Mobile Legend, 100 MB per day plus only call to TriNet, and plus only text to all networks. So, bali 3 days siya for 30 pesos. So, para makasubscribe tayo, click nyo lang yung or i-type nyo lang yung 1, yung subscribe. Then, click nyo yung send. So, ayun guys, make sure na may load kayo na 30 pesos. So, and guys, may makikita kayo or magpop up dyan na thank you at text confirmation will be sent shortly. Remember to always use asterisk 123 number sign to get the latest and best offer of token text. So, and guys, may magte-text sa inyo kung successful ba ang inyong registration. So, yun lang guys. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.